In the 1930s, Salvador Dali was convinced that Hollywood's blooming film business would be the perfect medium for his surrealist art. He found an in through big names like Disney and Harpo Marx. When Dali met Harpo, he described the encounter in a strange manner.
He was naked, crowned with roses, and in the center of a veritable forest of harps. He was caressing a dazzling white swan and feeding it a statue of Venus de Milo made of cheese, which he grated against the strings of the nearest harp.
Salvador Dali loved the eccentric nature of Harpo and decided that the Marx Brothers needed to make a movie that would really blow away the audience. He wrote up a 22-page script and propositioned it to the studio. MGM took one good look and deemed it too surreal. The actual script was a haphazard combination of unrelated scenarios, such as Harpo chasing dwarves with a large butterfly net, or fire-lit giraffes donned in gas masks. Groucho would have had several arms that he would use to pick up telephones and crack nuts on the bald heads of dwarves. It is easy to understand why this script was rejected, and there were no potential backers to support the finances of this film. So unfortunately, the only way to experience this abstract comedy is through Dali's script and your own imagination.